Good Tuesday, everyone. It is a weather aware day on the Cumberland Plateau. We have an active day ahead of us. Our weather map today shows those strong to severe thunderstorms coming out of Missouri, dropping down into Kentucky and Tennessee as we go through the day. Also, a bit of a flash flood risk present there as well. It is so warm and humid outside. There's plenty of moisture to cause some flash flooding. Other areas of concern today include the Northeast. Once again, unfortunately, Vermont once again is highlighted in a flash flood risk. They've just had a terrible time this month. And then strong to severe thunderstorms threaten portions of North Dakota. Back here at home, our 5-day forecast shows that 70% chance now for showers and thunderstorms today. You know, I told you yesterday that rain chances may increase or decrease as we go through the week, and they're certainly on the increase. 70% tomorrow as well, 70% Thursday and Friday. I told you different, weather outlets and whatnot were given different things. This is a very challenging forecast. So anyway, so 70% chances, and I may have to go up on those, especially as we get into Wednesday morning, depending on where some heavy rain tends to set up. But it is an active weather period that we're in now, so we'll be dealing with the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we go through our Tuesday. We'll be watching for a line that should be developing in Kentucky and moving this way. Got a little bit of thunderstorm activity developing this morning in south central Kentucky. Most of that's moving east to southeast. Heavy rainfall may threaten our area tomorrow morning. Models are showing an axis of heavy rainfall developing as we go overnight tonight into Wednesday morning, and it depends on where that axis sets up. There could be some significant rainfall with that. Thursday and Friday, the active weather continues, but we have a cold front on approach, quote unquote cold front, right? This time of the year, cold fronts usually just bring drier air, some lower humidity, and right now it continues to look like that front may actually push far enough south to give us a very pleasant Saturday. Fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. We're still on Tuesday. Things can change, but right now Saturday's looking good. But we got to get there first. So just be weather aware today. The Storm Prediction Center has placed our area in the marginal risk for severe storms. But just stay weather aware. This map will update again here at 8, and I don't expect any significant changes with this, but that slight risk could always expand further into Middle Tennessee. But as you can see, the orientation of storms will be developing in northern Missouri, moving south-southeast into Tennessee in this pattern that we call a northwest flow, where all the winds aloft are coming from the northwest and blowing all these storm complexes right into our neck of the woods. On this day in 1980, an oppressive heat wave produced the 5th of 6 consecutive daily record highs at Crossville. The high on this day was 96 degrees, so I'll take these clouds and the threat of some storms, although I wish we didn't have the threat of severe weather, but goodness, that heat is people underestimate how dangerous heat is. 1986, one of the most photogenic tornadoes touched down in the northern suburbs of Minneapolis, Minnesota during the late afternoon. Very slow moving tornado, actually even appeared live on the evening news. So my goodness, it was spun in place for like 30 minutes. Moderate to intense. I mean, oh my goodness, what a situation that was. And then 1938, this is kind of a fun one. Douglas Wrongway Corrigan accidentally flies from New York to Ireland, thinking he was flying to California, or so he says. You can Google his name and find out more about that. But you folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up. I will update you all throughout the day on any weather information that you need to know about. So look for those updates because I'm sure those will be coming out. And I'll keep you posted right here, meteorologistmark.com.